Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, detailed reviews of health and home essentials. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Sdom Nebulizer machine for adults, a compact, reliable compressor nebulizer designed for both adults and kids, whether at home or on the go. Let's start with the basics. This nebulizer is built for convenience and performance. It comes equipped with a universal mouthpiece, adult and child face masks with adjustable straps, and a long air tube for easy reach. You'll also find a liquid cup, 6 replacement filters, a clear instruction manual, and of course, the main plug-in compressor unit. Everything is neatly packed in a retail box, ready for home use right out of the package. Now, let's talk about its usability. This device is extremely user-friendly. Whether you're managing asthma, COPD, or seasonal allergies, you'll appreciate how quickly you can set it up and start your treatment. Just plug it in, connect the tubing, pour your prescribed liquid into the medicine cup, attach the mouthpiece or mask, and flip the switch. That's it. In seconds, you're receiving a steady stream of mist that delivers medicine directly to your lungs. But what really makes this nebulizer stand out is its adjustable nebulization rate. With a simple twist of the top of the liquid cup, you can control the amount of mist being delivered. This allows for more personalized treatment, especially helpful for kids or elderly users who may need a gentler airflow. And since it delivers medication straight to the respiratory tract, it helps minimize side effects compared to oral medications. Speed is another key advantage here. Thanks to its powerful compressed air technology, this nebulizer produces a high volume of mist, significantly reducing inhalation time. That means you spend less time treating and more time feeling better. The particle size ranges from 0.5 to 10 microns, which is ideal for effective deep lung delivery. Noise is often a concern with nebulizers, but this one manages to keep it to a comfortable hum, noticeable, but not disruptive. You can easily use it during a TV show or bedtime routine without causing a disturbance. It's also quite portable. While it does need to be plugged in, its lightweight design makes it easy to pack and carry, perfect for use while traveling or visiting family. Durability and maintenance are also worth mentioning. The kit includes 6 filters, which are easy to replace and help keep your device running smoothly over time. The materials feel solid and medical grade, ensuring long-term reliability. Cleaning is straightforward. Just rinse the mouthpiece, masks, and cup with warm water after each use and let them air dry. One of the strongest selling points of this nebulizer is its return and replacement policy. The manufacturer offers a full refund or free replacement, no questions asked. That kind of confidence speaks volumes about the product quality and the customer support behind it. To sum it up, the best Sdom Nebulizer machine for adults is a high-performing, family-friendly medical device that ticks all the right boxes. Efficient, easy to use, travel-ready, and backed by a solid warranty. Whether you're a first-time user or someone looking for a backup device, this is one you can rely on. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review that matters. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.